So far, the Diocese of Greensburg has held 2 other Know Him events as part of our Eucharistic revival efforts. All of the events invite the faithful to reflect upon the mystery and meaning of the sacrament of the Eucharist in our lives. They have also given us the opportunity to immerse ourselves in memorable experiences. At Know Him Stunned Disciples in September, attendees learned about the tools of crucifixion from a biblical archaeologist, after walking into a multimedia room that stimulated the senses. From there, they traveled through the Diocesan Heritage Center to see replicas and relics of the tools that were curated from collections around the country. Stunning these disciples even more was a performance by Hollywood actor Frank Runyon, whose one-man show described the intense emotions of Jesus' closest friends as they watched his miracles, witnessed his crucifixion, and saw him alive again, resurrected from the dead. They sampled the food of Jesus' time and learned about the plight of Christians in the Holy Land today. And many young people were introduced for the first time to Blessed Carlo Acutis, a 15-year-old Italian website designer who died from leukemia. He used his short time on earth to document Eucharistic miracles online and is now on the path to sainthood.
My favorite part was probably everything because I learned so much stuff about Jesus today. It was pretty hard to see how Jesus suffered because it looked pretty painful. It was pretty incredible how he suffered and saved all of our sins.
My favorite part was the relics and probably the face of Jesus. It was showing how holy the cross was and how they nailed Jesus in to it.
Jesus left us the gift of the Eucharist. In a world that is so hurried, we must all slow down, do a deep dive, and reflect upon it. Stay up to date on our Eucharistic Revival events by visiting dioceseofgreensburg.org/Eucharistic Revival.